Ever since Hyper popularized the usage of USB-C hubs back in 2015, little has changed over the last 5 years. Virtually all USB-C hubs in the market today are first-generation hubs with typical connections like 4K 30Hz HDMI, UHS-I MicroSD SD, 5 gigabits per second USB-A, and 60 watts USB-C power delivery. Introducing the next generation of HyperDrive USB-C hubs with double the speed and power of current hubs. We call this HyperDrive Gen2, which features UHS-II MicroSD SD, 10 gigabit per second USB-A, 4K 60Hz HDMI, with USB power delivery supporting up to 100 watts. With Gen 2, you get 2 times the video refresh speed on a 4K display, 2 times transfer speed over USB, 3 times transfer speed for your memory cards, and 2 times the power to charge your computer. HyperDrive Gen 2 also works perfectly with mobile devices like the iPad Pro, with a long cable to allow the hub to lie flat instead of dangling in midair. With our 6-in-1 HyperDrive Gen 2 hub, you get the following ports. Need more ports? Try our 12-in-1 HyperDrive Gen 2 hub, which supports multiple external video displays. There's also a HyperDrive Gen 2 hub with 18 ports that supports digital and optical audio. There is a HyperDrive Gen 2 hub for every device and every task, from tablets to laptops to desktops, from accessing files over any connections to advanced video and audio editing. The HyperDrive Gen 2 6 ports, 12 ports, and 18 ports is going to retail for $99, $149, and $199 respectively. But you can get them for up to 50% off during our Kickstarter campaign, so pledge now to save big. HyperDrive Gen 2, the next generation of USB-C hubs, is here.